Friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on face recognition, such as face recognition using FEAR library, using deepface library with facial emotion recognition, then using Streamlit, then using VG face2 face verification, popular video, then MTCNN, lot of videos on MTCNN face recognition, then support vector machine face recognition, and many more videos. Today's video is really creative and interesting and innovative. It is all about face recognition, in which the modules are used: Streamlit, OpenCV, FaceNet, PyTorch, Torch, Pillow, NumPy, SQLite database, and Torch Vision. And in today's video we will be recognizing the face using real-time face recognition, user management, and interactive user interface. So let us go through the program. So we'll go through the program first. This is all about the lengthy code. Interactive web page, so you can create the user, you can delete the user using SQLite. Now I will execute the program using Streamlit. Yes. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. Fine. Yes, enter username. Sanjay. Yes. Now user will be registered. Yes. I hope so. User is registered. A message is fired. Successfully captured image Sanjay from different angles. Now we will see whether the user has been recognized or not. Yes. User has been recognized. Yes. First time it was recognized. Yes, it has been recognized. Yes, it has been recognized. Yes, 2-3 times it has been recognized. Yes, it has been recognized. Yes, it has been recognized. Yes. So I successfully, now I will stop face recognition. Fine, and I will delete the user. Yes. It is asking for please enter valid. The user has been deleted. So I successfully done with face recognition using different style with FaceNet and SQLite. This is the first time I done. Second time I done face recognition using FaceNet. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, FaceNet, DLIB, if possible VGG face2, little bit difficult to create videos, then supervised learning, unsupervised learning, different algorithm. And so for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel Sanjay Mahajan youtube.com on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.